Thinking of skipping the home inspection to win a bidding war? In Seattle's market, that could be a costly mistake. Now, a few areas in Seattle are seeing more than one offer, making this video super relevant. And today, I will reveal how a well-executed inspection can save you thousands and give you an upper hand in negotiations as well. Stay tuned. Hey, I am Ravi Ramachandran, the managing broker of the Rams Group. I specialize in helping buyers, sellers, and investors navigate the Seattle and East Side real estate markets with confidence and ease. Now, if you're looking for expert advice and strategies to succeed in this competitive landscape, consider subscribing to our channel. Now, Seattle's housing market remains robust in 2025 with the average home price about $888,000. Despite high interest rates and low inventory, the strong demand keeps prices climbing. Now, in this environment, buyers must be strategic, especially during the inspection phase. Now, this is to ensure that they are making sound investment decisions. Now, the inspection process is much more than a formality. Now, a home inspection isn't just a checkbox. It's your opportunity to uncover potential issues and negotiate accordingly. Now, in Seattle, homes range from early 1900s built to new construction. So, inspections can reveal critical information about a property's condition. So you do not skip it. So, how can you strategically negotiate after an inspection? Here are a few examples and your options. Now, once you've performed a home inspection by a licensed home inspector, you have a few options. Number one is proceed as is. Now, if the home is in excellent condition and you have little to worry about, this is an option that you want to consider. And option number two would be to request repairs from the seller. For significant issues like roof damage, outdated electrical systems, or even a basement leak, you can request repairs from the seller. And the third option would be to ask for seller concessions, such as closing cost credits from the seller to address minor repairs yourself after closing. Or you also have the option to conduct further inspections. Now, if the initial findings warrant specialized evaluations, you have the option of conducting additional home inspections, something for you to keep in mind. After all these options, the fifth and final option is for you to finally walk away. If the issues are too severe or the seller is totally not willing to budge or negotiate, you can always walk away. There are other homes available, right, on the market. So that's your option. Now, remember, in Seattle's competitive environment, being informed and prepared can make all the difference. Now, here is a real life scenario, the power of persistence of this buyer specifically that I want to highlight. Recently, a buyer of ours went through a home inspection and discovered a failing water heater during the home inspection. Now, initially, after hearing about this, the seller hesitated to address the issue, saying that the heater was still heating, though a little slowly, which was not acceptable to our buyers. However, armed with a detailed inspection report and repair estimates from a few contractors, the buyer, or we on behalf of the buyer, negotiated successfully, and the seller agreed to replace the unit, which was like about a $3,000 savings to our buyers. Now, this underscores the importance of thorough home inspections and assertive negotiations, not kind of wobbly. From a buyer's perspective, it's not fun to having to deal with a high-ticket item post-purchase, is it? So, your due diligence here is super, super important. Don't skip. Yes, navigating home inspections requires diligence and strategy for sure. Now, armed with that background information, what does this all mean to you? If you're planning to buy or sell and need expert guidance through the home inspection process and negotiations, feel free to DM me or call or even book into my calendar. My contact information is in the description below. Just be aware that you hire an agent who understands how things in a home work. Super important. This is for them to be able to negotiate effectively and get you the credits that you absolutely deserve. Always feel free to hit me up, okay? That's it. Here's wishing you the best. I'll talk soon. Bye.